What are you doing, Becky?
What?
What are you doing?
What are these guys?
What is it? He's about to throw a grenade to bomb the other team. Here's Bubba's army. Bubba, you better set your army up.
That guy in there is already set up. What is that?
What's that, Becky?
You want to put some green in
Yep, use it to crash the other team. You gotta go crash the
we're
green
making
guys. Oh, Bubba, crash you guys. Get us, Becky, get us. Wow. Somebody's airplane should fly over and bomb stuff. Go. It shoots.